everyone. This section introduces the knowledge of CTH200 series. Section 2, Hardware Structure. This picture shows the distribution of interfaces on the exterior of the product, respectively, Ethernet interface, system indicator, 485 rupees interface, input or output interface, input or output indicators, power supply connector, expansion board connector, operation dip switch, expansion module connector, 24 volts DC power output. Here is a look at each of the local interfaces. An RS-485 port of the CTMC series is on the left rear, and the M226CS will have an additional EtherCAT communication port. Other interfaces are distributed the same as CTH200. Firstly, the Ethernet interface. The Ethernet interface can be used to communicate with our programming software, can go to communicate with HMI, PLC, and other devices through the network port. Our S485 serial port supports PPI, free protocol, Modbus RTU protocols, can communicate with other serial devices. This is the system indicator running. The SF6 indicator is a system error indicator. ON status is red, indicating that there is a system error. OFF means normal. Diag indicator on status is orange, indicating programmed control. For example, if there is an I point that is forced, OFF means normal. Running indicator, on for running, showing green, OFF for stopping. Stop indicator, on for stop, shows orange, off for run. RMC indicator, on for remote control connection, shows green. Off means remote control is off. Link indicator, on for Ethernet connection, shows green color. Blinking means data transmission. Off means network port disconnected. Extensions can be connected here to support. Can extensions and analog? Below is a video of the expansion board installation. Output terminals on top. Input terminals below. Below is the input terminal signal indicator. The upper part is the output terminal signal indicator. When there is a signal at the corresponding point 1 or Q, the corresponding indicator light will be lit. PLC power supply on the upper right. The power supply voltage of the PLC can be confirmed by the markings on the model number. The first DC stands for 2 for VDC power supply. The second DC represents a digital input voltage of 2 for VDC. The third DC represents a digital output voltage of 2 for VDC. If the first one is AC, it means the power supply is AC to 2OV. DC in the center represents a digital input voltage of 2 for VDC. RLY means the output is a relay output. There is also a 2 for VDC power supply in the lower right corner. CAN power modules and other sensors. Be careful not to exceed the maximum output current it allows. Otherwise, the PLC will not work properly, and it is recommended not to use this output power supply. Battery card and data storage card can be connected here. When a clock is required for long-term power down retention, you can add batteries. Battery can achieve about 200 days of power down retention. Underneath the cover are the operation dip switches and the expansion module interface. PLC operation can be switched via dip switches. About the introduction of hardware structure. That's all. Thank you.